Hello everyone, this is Hassan Durrani. I'm a High Court lawyer and I practice in Islamabad, Karachi and Rawalpindi. I'm here to tell you about my project that I'm about to launch pertaining to free legal services and dissemination of legal information within the society. So there are two aspects of this project. One aspect is bringing awareness amongst the people as to their legal rights and sort of giving them, empowering them to stand up for their legal rights and fight for them. Because all of us know that in Pakistan, people, like most of the people, are making money below the average wage. So how can they go to the courts, fight for their legal rights when they're only making about 15,000 a month? You can never get a good lawyer in this amount of money and sort of go through that lengthy procedure of 2-3 years to actually fight for your legal rights, to secure your legal rights. So I'm coming into the picture with my team. I will bring on different lawyers on board. I'll sit down with them, pick up different topics, and talk about those topics in my podcast. Whether those topics are pertaining to family law, whether those topics are pertaining to criminal bails, whether those topics are related to women rights, or etc., etc. Whatever topic we find interesting and good enough to engage in, we'll pick that topic up and we'll do a podcast on that topic and we'll tell people what their legal rights are in the society and how they can fight for their legal rights. The second aspect of this project is making different teams. I call all my students and my colleagues that I've worked with to become part of this cause by coming forward and taking cases that I get through this initiative, whether those cases are criminal cases, family law cases, or civil law cases. So what I'm trying to do is this: I'm trying to establish different fragments, I'm trying to establish different teams pertaining to family law. So there'll be one head lawyer, and then there'll be about 3 to 4 associates working with him, and then 2 research associates. So whatever pro bono cases that I get through the advertisements and through the videos that I'm going to post on my Facebook, I will be distributing those cases amongst that group. So supposedly if I have 10 family law cases, I will give those 10 family law cases to the group that I establish, consisting of 1 senior lawyer, 4 associates, and 2 research associates. And then obviously the people who will be working with me, they will not be working with me for free. I will give them some money for doing those cases. But that money will not be substantial enough that you would get in a private case that you would take. So it's a win-win for both parties. So a person who's coming to us for free legal services, at the end of the day, is getting free legal services. And the people and the students who are coming to us after finishing their degree, they will get a chance to actually take part in actual cases, go to actual courts and actually see what the procedure is and learn from really good lawyers who will be guiding them on each and every single step. So it's a win-win for both parties, and that way I am sure all of us together will be able to make an impact in terms of legal aid and in terms of pro bono services in Pakistan. I'll be initially starting with Islamabad and Rawalpindi, and then let's see what happens, how big our team becomes, and then we'll be expanding to other cities also. But for now, the initial stage is Islamabad and Rawalpindi. So it's also a call for cases. So if you know anyone, whether it's your driver, whether it's your maid, or anybody living in your neighborhood who doesn't have enough money to fight for their legal rights, you can forward my number to them. The number will be provided in the description below. You can forward my number to them and you can ask them to set up a meeting with me, and from there we'll see how to take their case. If they fall within our criteria, if they make below the minimum wage, then obviously we'll be able to help them for free. Thank you everyone, and I hope and I wish that after viewing this video, you become part of our amazing, pious cause. Thank you.